Hello there. Welcome to Mathematics Alive Algebra Lesson 32, Verbal Problems in Two Variables. And today we'll be dealing with number relationships and age problems. Here's problem number 1. The sum of two numbers is 33. Thrice the first number less the second number gives 7. What are the numbers? So first, we let x be the first number and let y be the second number. And then we will represent the problem with equations. The sum of two numbers is 33. So we get the sum of x and y and represent it with equation 1. X plus y equals 33. And then the second sentence, thrice the first number less the second number. So we have 3x less the second number y is equal to 7. And what are the numbers? So first we will eliminate y because we have here positive y and negative y. They are already additive inverses of one another, so we can easily eliminate them by adding the two equations. So adding this equation, we have x plus 3x is equal to 4x, then y minus y equals 0, and then 33 plus 7 is equal to 40. So we have 4x divided by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 10. And then we substitute x is equal to 10 to any of the two equations. And let's substitute it to equation 1. So we have 10 plus y is equal to 33. And we will solve for y. So y is equal to 33 minus 10. So y is equal to 23. And then we will check using any of the two equations again. So we'll just use equation 2. 3 times x minus y gives 7. So 30 minus 23 gives 7. So 7 equals 7. We got the correct answers. Our first number is 10 and our second number is 23. Problem number 2. We have the sum of a number and twice the second number is 42. Twice the first number less the second number yields 9. What are the numbers? Again, we represent let x be the first number and then y be the second number. And then get the first equation. From the first sentence, we have the sum of a number and twice the second number is 42. So the first number is x, and we get the sum. Twice the second number is 2y equals 42. And then the second sentence gives us the second equation. Twice the first number, 2x, less the second number yields 9. Less the second number equals 9. And then we will just choose which of the variables we want to eliminate. And we can eliminate the variable y again. But we have to have additive inverses for their coefficients. So we will multiply equation 2 by 2. So I'll copy equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 42. And then twice equation 2 is 4x minus 2y is equal to 18. And then we will add these two equations, and we have 5x, then 0 equals 2 plus 8, 0. We have 60. And then we divide both sides by 5. And we have x is equal to 12. Then we substitute x is equal to 12 to any of the two equations. And we will choose equation 2. Equation 2, we have 2 times the value of x, 12, minus y is equal to 9. Then we have 24 minus y is equal to 9. 24 minus 9 is equal to y. So we have y is equal to 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. And then we will check. We can use any of the two equations. Let's check with equation 1. So we have 12 plus 2 times 15 equals 42. Then we have 12 plus 30 equals 42. 42 equals 42. This means we got the correct answers. And our first number is 12. Our second number is 15. Example number 3. The sum of Nathan's age and his father's age is 60. 6 years ago, his father's age was 7 times his age then. How old are they? So, we represent the ages of the father and Nathan in a table. So we have the present age of Nathan is X, and the present age of the father is Y. Then 6 years ago, their ages will be subtracted by 6 years. So we have X minus 6 and Y minus 6. And then we represent each sentence into an equation. The sum of Nathan's age and his father's age is 60. So we have equation 1. Nathan's age plus father's age equals 60. And then equation 2, we have 6 years ago. His father's age was 7 times his age then. So we will look at this column, the column for 6 years ago, or their ages in 6 years ago. So his father's age will be represented by y minus 6. His father's age was, that's an equality sign for the verb. Then 7 times his age then. 7 times the age of Nathan at that time. So x minus 6. And then we will simplify this equation. So we have y minus 6 is equal to 7x minus 42. So we have negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 42 plus 6. Or Negative 42 plus 6 is equal to negative 36. So we have negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 36. Then we will multiply this with negative 1. So multiplying both sides by negative 1 to make this positive. So we have positive 7x minus y is equal to positive 36. This will be our equation 2. And then we will eliminate a variable from equation 1 and equation 2. So I'll just copy equation 1. Equation 1, x plus y is equal to 60. And we can easily eliminate the variable y. And we will add the two equations. So we have 7 plus 1x, 8x, negative y plus y is 0, and 36 plus 60 is 96. So we divide by 8. So x is equal to 12 years old. Then we substitute x is equal to 12 to equation 1. So 12 plus y equals 60. So y is equal to 60 minus 12. Y is equal to 48 years old. Therefore, x is equal to 12, the age of Nathan, and y is equal to 48, the age of the father. We have to check that using any of the two equations, but let's try using equation 2 here. So equation 2, 7 times the age of Nathan minus the age of the father, 48, gives 36. So 7 times 12, you have 84 minus 48. Then 36 equals 36. Therefore, our answers are correct. Problem number 4. Mrs. Silva is 6 times the age of her daughter Chris. In 8 years, Mrs. Silva will be 4 times the age of Chris, less 10 years. How old are they? So we will represent the age of Chris with x and the age of Mrs. Silva with y. And then their ages in 8 years will be x plus 8 and y plus 8. And then we will transform the first sentence into an equation. So we have Mrs. Silva is 6 times the age of her daughter Chris. So the age of Mrs. Silva, y, is 6 times x. And the second equation will be the second sentence. In 8 years, Mrs. Silva will be 4 times the age of Chris, less 10 years. So we will represent the age of Mrs. Silva here in 8 years. So we will get y plus 8 equals, so we will represent will be with an equal sign because this is the main verb. 4 times the age of Chris. So 4 times the age of Chris in 8 years. So this will be the age of Chris, x plus 8. less 10 years. So we will subtract 10 years. And then we simplify this equation. Y plus 8 equals 4x plus 32 minus 10. And then we have minus 4x plus y is equal to 32 minus 10, 22 minus 8. So negative 4x plus y is equal to 22 minus 8 is equal to 14. And then we will simply substitute equation 1 to our simplified version of equation 2. So this is our equation 2. And we will substitute this value for the value of y here. Minus 4x plus 6x is equal to 14. So we have 2x is equal to 14. Dividing both sides by 2, we have x is equal to 7 years old. And then we substitute this value to any of the two equations. But we can easily substitute this value in equation 1. So equation 1, we have y is equal to 6 times 7. Therefore, y is equal to 42 years old. And let us check this value with another equation. Equation 2. Negative 4x plus y equals 14. So, negative 4, then x, 7, plus y, 42, equals 14. So, negative 28 plus 42 equals 14. Therefore, 14 equals 14. And our answers are correct. X is equal to 7 years old. That's the age of Chris. And the age of the mother is 42 years old. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel by clicking the button below. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.